Thinking. It's taking a little longer than usual. Maybe it was a tough question. Oh, here it comes now. I'm Tyler Cowen. I'm a professor of economics at George Mason University. I write a blog, I run a podcast, I have a YouTube channel, and I'm a very avid user of generative AI. 10 years ago, I wrote a book called Average is Over, which forecasts a future where AI is going to revolutionize the world and basically change every facet of human life. I think of all the versions of GPT as embodying reasoning of some kind, but the new version has much more context when it approaches a problem. I want to see how good an economist is it. So I thought of questions that you might find on, say, PhD level exams. Quote, under what conditions do tariffs improve the terms of trade for a domestic nation and thus boost domestic welfare? Then, given that scenario, can you think of second best arguments why the potential tariff hike might not be such a good idea after all? These second best arguments should include public choice considerations, but should not be restricted to them either. End quote. It's kind of complex, right? You're not like, oh, I know that one. Finally, there's a conclusion where it summarizes this all in just plain text. It's pretty good. We're just figuring out what it's good for, or at least I'm just figuring it out. Obviously, it's a new capability, but the mere fact that you can ask it, as far as I can tell, any economics question, and it has a good answer, is really quite significant.